Okay, I feel better now. What do YouTube? It's about FlawHD, man, and today we're gonna be... Why am I getting closer to the camera? Okay. What do YouTube? It's about FlawHD, man, and today we're gonna be answering your Q&A questions. And yeah, before the video starts, just don't forget to follow my Twitter account. Link is gonna be in the description. Yeah, let's go. Okay, and the first question is gonna be from Fire Truck Gal. Apple will make how away? How away? It will make like this. Fishing for threes. Can you flex shirtless? What country are you living in? I'm living in United Arab Emirates. If you don't know what that is, it's a country. If you had one chance to say whatever you want in front of 5 billion people, what would you say?
Subscribe.
How much wood would the woodchuck chuck if the woodchuck looked like you? The woodchuck would chuck around 5 billion chucks of wood. Okay. If Rob could rob a bank, then how many banks would bank rob if Rob could rob a bank? Okay, let me see. If Rob could rob one bank, which is a bank, okay, then how many banks would bank rob? If Rob can bank one Rob, what? Wait, the fuck? I don't know how to fuck you. Okay. If Rob can bank. Yes, if Rob can bank, what can he? Show us some of your bird. Okay. I will show you my bird. 1 second. Here we go. Say hello. If you and your crush had a baby, how would it look like? It would look young. Wow. Shit. It would look young, yeah. Are you fucking stupid? What the fuck, man? So I'm joking. Don't unsubscribe, please, yeah, please. He gonna jump on you, man. He gonna jump on you when you sleep. When you fucking asleep, man. Look how beautiful this creature is. Goodbye.